Hi everyone, hope you're doing well, and today we're going to do a bit of an update into Tattoo Chef or TTCF. When I've done these videos before about Tattoo Chef, they've been very popular. It's bringing a lot of people into the channel, a lot more views, a lot more new subscribers, so it seems like there's a demand for doing this sort of video series on Tattoo Chef. I was kind of thinking maybe making this a Tattoo Chef Thursday, where I just have a weekly series updating the news on Tattoo Chef. But yeah, we'll have a look at what's going on, because last time we talked about it did really well, and there's been some really big news really, and it's kind of reflected in the stock price recently. The stock price has done quite well. From about December time, the stock's going up quite a bit. Even yesterday was a pretty good day. It was up quite a lot in pre-market, nearly 10% at one point. And then it did pull back, but still a pretty decent day, and we're starting to come off those lows. Now for me, as I've always said on the channel, when this company is getting towards, below $18, I mean, it was even down to $16, $15. When it gets to them sort of prices, this company is really, really cheap in my opinion. But obviously I'm a fan of it, but I'm going to go through some of the news that's going on with Tattoo Chef, some of the good events that are coming up with it as well, and then also I'll do a little bit of a kind of a confident boost and some reasons why this company is going to go up towards the end of the video. So like I said, it's been on a very good run at the moment, and the first really good news really that's coming out with Tattoo Chef is we've got Analyst Day coming up. And Analyst Day is going to be on the 15th of December, and I believe that it's on 1 PM Eastern time, so I think that will probably, if my time zones are right, puts it at 6 PM UK time. So it makes it a pretty decent time actually for me to listen into this. Anyone can actually watch this event, and yeah, basically it's called Analyst Day, and it sounds like it's a bit more focused on analysts, but pretty much it just gives some detailed information on the company. The CEO, Sam Galletti, will be there, and he'll be giving some information out. He'll try and basically sell the company to you and talk about a lot of positives. And there's been a lot of positive news that has come out of the company recently, but hopefully he can drop something good in the Analyst Day. Something that I would like to see is maybe talk about another partnership. So obviously we've got the like the Walmart, we've got the Target deals, but another partner would be really good. If someone like it, they said they had, because I know on the conference call with Roth Capital, they said that they were looking at partners, because a lot of them were phoning up now and contacted Tattoo Chef. I mean, it would be really good if they sorted a deal out with someone like Kroger, for example. Someone on them sort of lines would be really good. But let's not forget, this company hardly has any analyst coverage, and I'm sure when they do, they'll probably give it a good rating at the moment. So hopefully we'll see some more analysts start covering this stock, and like say, if analysts start coming out and saying, oh, we put a $25 price target on this stock, or a $30 price target stock, normally that sort of thing does push the stock up. You've seen it before with like Neo, I think it was JP Morgan, for example. It can help the stock move a little bit. And at the moment, if we went on CNN, for example, at the moment it's only got one buy rating and one hold rating. There's hardly any coverage on it, but at least one of the positives there is that both ratings give the medium average price $21, which is still a decent upside from here, and the high rating was $26. So from the little limited coverage it already has, it's a pretty decent price target it has at the moment. Now, one of the positives that did come out that was pretty much the cause of the rise over the last 2 days was there's some new products announced. So there was some rumours on, I think it was either Monday or Tuesday, and there was a few of these rumours going around in a couple of Facebook groups. You read it. Sometimes you don't know how much to trust these, but there was a rumour coming out that they were actually going to release some new products, and eventually we got these rumours confirmed, and they are actually looking at moving into more meat alternatives, which is pretty good. And one of them was a pepperoni and also a plant-based sausage. So it's kind of like going into the Beyond Meat sector now. We know that Tattoo Chef has focused on a lot of like plant-based food, meals, ready meals, but now it's actually looking at fake meat meals, pepperoni, plant-based sausage, and it also said that it's looking at planning 3 more meat products in 2021. So yeah, kind of coming for Beyond Meats now. Hopefully not too much, because obviously don't want my shares in Beyond Meat getting affected by it, but yeah, I mean, obviously positive news that it's looking to expand into more products. So yeah, we'll see where it goes. Next thing we might see a bit of a hamburger coming for them. That would be pretty good, or mincemeat, But I think the expansion of products was really, really good. So with the news of the Analyst Day coming up, that's obviously going to be a pretty decent thing that's hopefully going to move the stock in a positive way. I mean, there is the potential that it does move it down in the wrong way, but hopefully there's a little surprise in there that we don't know about that comes out. That would be really good. as well as the product extension. Obviously that's really great news that there's more products coming. But overall, just a little bit of a takeaway for the coming few months that I want to make really important, and I don't know if I made this very clear on my last Tattoo Chef Tattoo Chef video, is that some really key things to take away into Q4 is, let's not forget, not so long ago there's an e-commerce deal announced. We've also got the expanding of the Walmart deal. We also have the new Target deal. And you think about all this going into Q4, and it looks like Q4 could actually be a really good quarter for Tattoo Chef. Now, I'm holding this company from a long-term point of view, and I'm looking to hold it for at least probably 2 years. But when you start looking at this company right now and the growth it's putting in and the things that are coming in that are really going to help this company, it looks like a very cheap valuation. And let's not forget, pre-merger, this company was going up to $28, and now it's come all the way down. And I've always said on this video, like, from where it was at that $15 range, I see massive upside in this company. And if you got in them sort of prices, you've done very well for yourself. I mean, at the moment, I was buying quite heavy, and there was like $15, $60 range. And that's actually given me now a pretty decent gain so far with the last few days movements. I'm up on my position quite a bit, and I'm quite happy with the position that I've built. But, you know, going into Q4, even in a short-term point of view, even though I'm holding it for a long-term, in the short-term point of view, when you actually put the catalysts in of how these deals are going with Walmart, with Target, with the new e-commerce side of it. And let's not forget, this company has done, it's just, you know, not invested into a new SPAC company here that has no product and has no previous history. We're talking about a company that has previously been historically profitable, and as well as being profitable, grown revenue. And let's not forget, that's the only one negative I do have about this company is the marketing side of it. There's not much marketing, but it's always been a bit of a, you know, smaller run company. Now you inject all that cash from the SPAC deal, this company's now got a massive marketing budget. So even that problem of zero marketing to achieve all that so far has been amazing. Now you're adding a marketing budget to this company, and it takes it another step up. So that's another bonus coming in. So overall, obviously Analyst Day is going to be big. Obviously with the new products is really good. But even just from this sort of price point of view, going into Q4, it seems a really strong position. So we'll see what happens. Still a massive fan of it. And like I say, could be a weekly Tattoo Chef Thursdays video series that we run on the channel and just talk about it every Thursday. We'll see if the demand's there anyway. But anyway, hope you enjoyed the video. If you could, smash the like button. If you are new and you're a Tattoo Chef shareholder just like me, maybe you could subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video.